Chapter 3. Psychology is more important than grammar and vocabulary. Most people have suffered with English for so long. They worry there's no solution. Trained by schools to be passive, fear mistakes, and search for just one right answer. Most English learners are stressed and frustrated, feel some nearly hopeless. They spend years in English classroom memorizing grammar, rules, vocabulary list, and studying for exams such as the TOEFLs and TOEICs. Despite all this work and effort, most English learners are frustrated. Many struggles even simple conversations and feel nervous anytime they must speak English. They've memorized countless grammar rules, yet even simple conversations feels difficult. Likewise, despite years of study, most learners still cannot understand American TVs or movies. After so many years of traditional learning, students are confused when they try to speak. They constantly think about grammar and translation. First, they think of sentence in their own language, then translate it to English. Think about the grammar, and finally speak. When they listen, they go through a similar process. They hear the English, translate it into their own language. Think of response in their language, translate the response into English, and then think about the grammar to be sure the responses is correct. No wonder their speech is slow and unnatural. No wonder English feels stressful and difficult. Conversations are fast, and it's nearly impossible to do all thinking is fast enough, especially when talking to a native speakers. If you think about translation and grammar during your conversation, you will quickly become lost. Instead of listening carefully to the other person, you'll be translating your own responses and trying to remember grammar. Your speech will be hesitant often, and the other person will become frustrated by your lack to understanding. Of course, I will see the other person of losing patience. You will usually become even more nervous. It's terrible, downward spiritual, and most English learners will know too well. There's a solution. There is a way to escape the hidden curriculum. There is a road to English fluency.